Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your JBL Tour One. So first of all we have to select them from the application and then scroll down and click on this arrow. Right now turn on equalizer by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see we can find 5 default presets. We can easily switch between them, and we can also create our custom one by tapping on the plus and adjusting with these dots. Then we can click save, and also we can give it the custom name by tapping on this icon. Click here to confirm, then tap save, and as you can see we can find another preset. If you want to remove the custom preset, just select and click on this trash icon and click remove. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.